Hello, dear Sagittarius. A very good morning to you guys. So, this is a journal of reading for all the singles, okay? And this is a reading from 25th of May till 25th of June. So, it might or might not resonate with you. Keep this in mind, okay? So, we will start with your past energy, your present energy, what your past person or connection feels for you, and your energy for the new person, and what to expect till 25th of June. What's coming towards you. So let's start, Sagis. Yeah, let's see. Your past energy, Sagittarius, was. Yeah, your past energy was Five of Swords. I feel like, Sagittarius, whomsoever you were connected in the past, this person and you had lots of ego battles going on, lots of fights, lots of conflicts going on. And I feel like none of you were, ready to compromise. That was the thing that was happening between you guys, or in your past relationship. It was happening. It might also be possible it broke up because of the ego battles, because of the fake fights, you can say. These fights were like easily they could be resolved, but none of you were none of you were compromising. That's why this relationship broke up. Let's clarify. Let's clarify. The moon, the Knight of Swords, and the World. Yes. So I feel like there was some kind of blockage in your intuition, okay? And you were not ready to rush into anything, or you were rushing too much into something. And that's why this relationship came to an end. This whole situation came to an end. Because there was a blockage in your intuition, there was some kind of fears going on in your intuition. You were not able to, emote properly what you want from this connection, and you were in a hurry to commit, or you were in a hurry to be in this relationship. There was something that was rushing, that was pushing you to rush into something. And this rushing energy, this pushing energy, or it could also be possible that you were constantly fighting with the particular person whomsoever you were connected with. And these constant fights leads to the breakup thing. This is the World card. This was over, the relationship was over, because of these fights, because of the ego battles, okay? Because none of you were able to compromise with each other. This was your past energy. Let's see your present energy regarding your love life. Yeah, I'm fine, I hope. There's something on my suit, I can see that. If you don't, yeah, see. Let's see what's your present energy. Sagittarius, your present energy right now is Page of Swords. I feel like you are constantly spying on your person. You are constantly spying on this particular person, whomsoever you were connected in the past. This is the first thing, that you're spying on this person. And the second thing is, you are still in this defensive mode. You are still not ready to compromise or talk to them, or make a resolution or peaceful resolution for this particular connection. We will further clarify your energy. Let's see. You're still in this energy of defensiveness, not willing to compromise, not willing to come to a situation where there could be a peaceful resolution. Let's see, the Ten of Swords, the Five of Pentacles, and the King of Cups. I feel like you felt like you are betrayed by somebody, and somebody left you in the cold. Still you are holding lots of emotions for this particular person, Sagittarius. Okay, so yes, that is why. But still you are defensive. I feel like you were backstabbed by somebody. At least you felt like somebody backstabbed you or betrayed you. Somebody left you in the cold, somebody used you. Yeah. And then then you are like carrying a lots of emotions for this particular person. You feel like your love is used. You feel like you are being used, and your emotions are being used, and your love is being used. That is why right now you are acting very defensive, very cold and detached, might be. Still you are spying on this person. You are seeing this person everywhere. You are just watching this person everywhere. If they have blocked you, or if you have blocked them, I feel like you are creating a fake ID or something to just spy on this person, Sagittarius. This is the situation right now. Yeah, let's see what your past person feels for you, whomsoever you were connected with. Let's see what your past person feels for you right now, or this connection. Sagis. Seven of Swords. This person feels like, I don't feel like there's any kind of love in this connection. Lots of battles, lots of conflicts, ifs and buts and that, this and that, mind play, mind games, manipulation, negativity, toxicity. This is what was happening, and this is still what is happening. Sagis, okay? So your person feels like there is a secret that is yet to be revealed, okay? Or they feel like there is a secret that came out and they felt like this secret made all the things clear to them. There was something that came to light, according to them. There was something that was a secret to them and that suddenly came out in light. Yeah, let's see, let's clarify. Might be there's something that they are hiding from you, okay? It could also be possible. The energy, it can be reversed as well, okay? Let's clarify. So, your person is trying to focus on themselves, but still they are waiting on you and they are manifesting you back in their life. Yes, they are just manifesting you. It is like the self-deceptive energy. They are acting like cold and detached, but still they are manifesting you. Yes, this is the thing. They are working on themselves. They are trying to work on themselves. Still, they are waiting for you and manifesting you back. This wait is just for making the universe, take their whole sweet time and make you come back to them, make you go back to them. Their manifestation power is increasing. So I feel like this person is being self-deceptive. If they are saying they don't love you, they don't need you, this is their ego talking to you. Still ego is still being egoistic, still want you, still waiting for you. See, this is the kind of relationship you guys had. Let's see your energy for a new person, or if somebody new is coming towards you till 25th of June. Let's see. Queen of Swords. Sages, I feel like you are not ready for a new relationship as of now, because still, can I tell you how many swords are there in this connection, in this whole scene, in your reading? Swords. Can you see the five of swords, the page of swords, the seven of swords, the queen of swords? Mind games, manipulation, mind games, mental conflict. Oh God. So right now you are very, very clear about your intentions. Right now you are very, very clear about what you want in your life. This is a soft approach. You are not being rude to anybody right now, but you are not being open to anybody right now, anybody new right now, because you feel like you are very, very clear about your intentions, because the past relationship taught you that no, this is not how relationship works. And now you are being very, very honest and clear with yourself, that what I want from a connection, or what I want from my life in general. That is what is happening. I don't feel like you are allowing somebody new to come towards you as of now. Let's see, let's clarify the Queen of Swords. Gosh, mind games, and mind games. Yes, you want a connection, you want a love relationship where there is equal give and take of energy, because you are deeply hurt by something or someone from the past. Okay, you are still you are hopeful that things will eventually work out, things will be okay, and my life will be okay. Okay, but you could be dealing with a Gemini in the past, might be. Okay, so basically, you are very, very clear about your intentions now, that whomsoever is going to be in your life again, you and them, you both should have a equal give and take energy. This relationship should be based on, should be based on perfection, or should be based on, I'm not getting the exact word for this. I hope you are getting what I want to say. So this relationship should be basically based on equal give and take of energy. If you are putting in some effort or work, this should be replied, this should be reciprocated. Okay, this is what you're feeling, because in the past you were deeply, deeply, deeply hurt by something, but you are still hopeful that there's love in the universe, there's love in the world, and there's somebody for me. What is coming towards you till 25th of June? Let's see. Lots of swords, hell, lots of swords in your reading. This makes me anxious sometimes whenever this type of intense reading came out for somebody. Yeah. Holding back. Four of Pentacles. I feel like what is coming towards you till 25th of June, no one is talking to no one, holding back, controlling your emotions, trying to control your emotions, trying to control whatever you have already, trying to protect yourself from being hurt again. So this is what is happening for for you till 25th of June. You're just trying to control your emotions. You're just trying to protect yourself, your aura, your energy from being hurt again. You are very, very scared now, Sagittarius. And that is why you are just protecting yourself, your heart, your money, your finances, your physical body, everything. You are just trying to protect yourself as much as you can. Let's clarify it. The Death card, Three of Swords, and the Four of Wands. Yes, you are you are transforming into this phase of your this breakup thing changed you into something very, very different person because of the hurt, because of the pain, because of the grieving, because of the loss. Now you are thinking that whomsoever is going to be in my future, I will just marry that particular person. I will have a deep connection with them. I'm not going to just go for the flings or night outs or anything like that. I will just be in a relationship with somebody solid, or I will just be in a solid relationship with somebody whomsoever is going to connect with you. Or it could also mean that you are holding lots of pain because you wanted to marry this particular person, because you wanted to have a stable and solid connection with this particular person, but this thing didn't work out. This thing gave you heartache, and this thing gave you some sort of pain. This thing changed you completely. So that is why you are now holding back. Right now you are not able to concentrate on anything related to your love life, related to your relationship. Right now you're just holding back from being in a relationship because you feel like you might be hurt again by somebody. Yeah, that is what is happening in your reading. So Sagittarius, thank you so much for tuning in. This is Anjali Tarot. Namaste.